friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm really tired today, so it's amazing I'm making this video, but I wanted to show you this cute lime crime brush set I just recently got, and I wanted to review it for you guys. So yeah, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay you guys, now I'm going to try out the brushes by applying some eye makeup. I'm going to start off with the base, so yeah, let's get started. Grab my mirror over here. You know what I need, guys? A handheld mirror. Now that I've got my concealer applied, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the eyeshadow brush. Whoop. Here, hello. Take out the eyeshadow brush, and we are gonna try and make an eye look. I wonder if you can use this brush for an eye look too. Let's see, let's pop this one out as well. This like eyeliner brush thing. Bet you we could like pack some powder in the corners. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I'm just showing you guys for fun once again. So, I think it's lime crime. We should use this Venus palette, perhaps. I'm gonna go ahead and take our little brush and apply some sparkly purple eyeshadow. Can you guys see that? Applying a light glitter there. See, just use a dab of this dark purple shade. Blend that around. Oh my goodness. These brushes apply flawlessly, as you can see. Flawlessly, although they're not like super soft. They're not like alpaca fur soft, but most brushes aren't, so like I'm not, you know. I think I kind of want to just wear this eyeshadow look for the rest of the day. Which I don't know. I don't usually wear makeup daily, but yeah. So yeah, they're pretty soft. They're good. My favorite part is the fact that they are aquarium brushes, and me being a mermaid princess that I am. So I think now we're going to use the highlighting brush. Or is this the foundation? This is the foundation brush. Still, it's like, ooh. La, la, la. Okay, put this back on. We'll pop out the highlighting brush here. We're going to apply some highlight. It's mesmerizing. Like, if you're a person who gets your makeup done fast in the morning, you'll get easily distracted. Yep. So, let's go ahead and get some of this Metal Crush. And I think I'll just go for the little white shade. I used to do the pink shade, but that's when I do full makeup looks. So let's just... Yep, does the job. And it's pretty darn good. So yeah. Once again, friends, none of this is sponsored. Although if you do like pretty sparkly things, I would recommend this. They're just like typical usual makeup brushes, and they're really fun, and yeah, they apply makeup pretty well. Like Jeffree Star, I will see you all later. Bye! Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.